Did you know that you can make money searching Google every single day? I'm going to show you on this video how you're going to make this money searching Google. And the crazy thing is you can make $10 again and again, but you're not just there to make $10. Check this out. Using this strategy, you can make anything up to $118,000 per year searching Google. So I'm going to show you on this video not only how you're going to make $10 every single day over and over again, but this is a worldwide strategy and you can start straight after watching this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Hold on, it's all here again from the USA Videos channel, and I post videos every single day to teach you how to make money online. So if you have come to this video and you're in search of how to make money, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you get notified every single day when I post my next money making strategy and you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. Say today I've got something crazy for you. Want to show you how to make money using Google, and you can do this and make $10 a day over and over again. And it's not even going to take you that much time, but you can turn this into a crazy profitable strategy to make crazy money, tens if not hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year. So what you want to do is very simple. If you come over to Google, what you're going to do is you can search for different types of things. For example, let's search for how to make $10 a day over and over again. Okay, so let's see what comes up. So when you search for anything in Google, guys, what happens is you're going to scroll down and you're going to see a whole array of different types of things that come up. And when you search for different things on Google, what happens is Google likes to bring up the exact same thing that you're searching for to the top of the search rankings, and this is how you can potentially get paid by searching Google. And the reason why you can get paid is Google will pay different people to go out there and make sure that right keywords are being found when you're searching for this, and they will pay you handsomely. You can get paid $10 over and over again for doing this. As you can see, when you search for this keyword, not only will different videos come up but different search engines, which is awesome. So as you can see here, you're gonna look over here and you see how to make $10 fast in 2021. What is the best and easiest way to earn $10? How to earn $10 US dollars on the internet? And so you can see here that the search term over 20 ways to make $10 a day online is another keyword. And then not only they are gonna pay you to check the first page, but don't pay you to go to page 2, page 3, page 4, and this is how you can continue to make $10 a day over and over again. And it's a simple way to make money search in Google. So if you come over here, 200 legit ways to make extra money in 2021, this doesn't really fall into that. Make $1 to $20, that doesn't really fall into that. So you know, this is what some sites will pay you to go and check, and I'm gonna show you which sites will pay you to do this. The first site that you want to go to is called lionbridge.com, now called the smartcrowd.com. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll down and have a look at this site. As you can see, it is reputable site and that has a lot of work, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can find this work to make that $10 again and again. I keep saying that you can make $10 a day online if you work part-time. If you want to make money searching Google and using this site, guys, you can make serious money online, just like I showed you over here when I searched for how much money you can get paid on this site, which is anything up to $180,000 per year. So when you scroll down and check this site out, you can have a look and see how it works. You can have a look at their business partners. You can scroll down and you can check out their benefits, and then you can go to get started. But what we want to do is we want to make some money searching Google. So what we will do is we would come over to here. It says see job opportunities, and the best part about this site, guys, is that it is absolutely worldwide, and I'm going to show you exactly how much money you can make right now and which countries you can do this. If you come over here and you click on to see job opportunities, it's got to take you over to a page that looks like this. But don't go anyway, because there's another site that I want to show you in this video. So when you come down here, you see current opportunities, and as you can see, guys, this is absolutely worldwide occasion. You've got jobs here in Australia, in New Zealand, and you've got jobs over here all the way through Afghanistan and to Vietnam and anything in between. Like if you're in Iraq or Japan or Singapore, you can get get jobs on this side. If you're anything in South Africa, anything in Kenya or Somalia, you can get jobs on this side and you can get paid $10 a day over and over again searching Google, guys. So you have got pretty much all of Europe over here. You have got over here, you have got it. If we come down here, you have got it all the South America, and if you come up here, you have got Canada and the United States. So there's a lot of opportunities here for my worldwide audience to make $10 a day over and over again. And as you can see, all you need to do is if you go over to the United States of America and we click onto that, there it's gonna show you the different jobs that they have so that you can make money online search in Google. And as if you come down here, we're gonna go and try out and find a job on here that's gonna pay us to do exactly that. So if we scroll down, let's just have a look. Let's come down here. So we've got this internet safety evaluator. That's a very similar type of job. And here's you've got a radar. So or a case, if you climb over here, it says we are looking for a dynamic, creative people who have strong communication skills in it and use the internet daily. The job involves analyzing, providing feedback on text. Okay, so that's one there. And this one over here, it's like a safe internet safety program descriptions. Are you looking for opportunity to work with one of your America's top 100 most trusted companies while also increasing your income from the comfort of your home? Okay guys, so ample amount of opportunity. Before we click into this one over here, it says radar. It's gonna tell us exactly what we should be doing to make this money. I'll tell you whether it's a full-time, part-time. Look, they've got permanent hourly payment, part-time hours as well. So you can make this money, guys. You can make money online over and over again every single day utilizing these different types of jobs. It will show you the skills that you need to have and it will tell you a little bit about themselves. This is one job that you can do that you can make $10 a day over and over again. More importantly, make money searching Google. Okay, so when you come over here, you can see here that there's other different types of jobs as well and that I found as well. So this side you can do crowd translation, you can do interpretation, guys. When you scroll down here, there's so much opportunity for yourselves, and as you can see, like I said, it is absolutely worldwide. I found another job, the internet safety evaluator, that we just had a look at, and this one is part-time and paying up to $20 per week. Okay guys, so it's an awesome way to get started. If you scroll down all the way down to the bottom, you have got this global testing. You can check onto that. You can go to their about page. Okay, it's an awesome way to get started. And if you click onto this global testing over here, we come over here, it's going to show you 10 different tests that you can do. You got in country testing, that's going to pay you $10 a day over and over again. You have got user experience testing. It's just another way to get paid search in Google. Okay, so you have got functionality testing, search relevance. It's an awesome way to get started, guys. So if you want to make money online, I definitely recommend, but I want to show you this other side as well that you can use to make money online. Okay guys, and all you need to do is you need to come over to their contact page, guys, and you need to fill out all your details. Check this out. If you come over here, check out their country. This is what I love about this side. I'll quickly show you. It is a worldwide strategy and you can make money online every single day utilizing this and make that $10 a day over and over again. The next site that you can go to, guys, to get paid search in Google is a site called appen.com. A lot of sites I have combined into this site, guys. You can get paid to rate different websites using Google search engine to make money online every single day. And when you come over here, check to say you have got this raters. It's flexibility, part-time, home-based work that requires a computer and a mobile device. If you have a computer or if you have a mobile, guys, you can make money online every single day going on to Google and searching for different things. It's an awesome way to get started. So what you want to do is you can click over here, you can click on the apply, or you can also scroll and check out this site, guys. It's an awesome site. This, guys, I have been around for a very long time and they pay a lot of money. You can see all the rewards that they have owned, and when you come down here, you can very simply come over here and click onto their careers page. Once you click onto their careers page, it's going to take you over to a page that pretty much looks like exactly the same page, and click onto the apply button. Once you click onto their apply button, it will take you over to their current app and assignments. You can go over here and you can read everything that you need to know about this site, and here are some examples of opportunities that may be available at any time that you go to apply. And as you can see, and here's the search engine evaluation, which is you're going on to to search onto Google and you want to obviously find different sites that are meant to be there, they will give you a list of things that you need to do when you're searching on Google to make this money online. And also you can be a search media evaluator to help improve social media around the globe. So this is an awesome way to make $10 a day over and over again. You've got translation, guys, you have got transcription as well, which I've spoken about on my channel, and this is a really good way to make money online. And check out this, you've got surveys and data collection and short projects that last from 15 minutes to 3 hours, so you can make money online just for working 15 minutes, guys. That's some crazy ways to get money online. If you have got linguistics and spatial test, text to speech, there's awesome software, guys, that you can use out there to do, and these guys will teach you everything. Okay, so then you need to go on the evaluation. And what I love about this side of like this strategy of making money using Google is, if you come over here, you can see that you can do this in so many different countries, guys. If you scroll down, you have got from Albania alphabetically all the way down to Zimbabwe and everything in between. So for almost subscribers out there, if you're looking for different ways to make money using Google, this is one of the ways that you can do it, guys. And if you're looking for easy ways to start making $10 a day online over and over again, I would definitely recommend getting on one of those two sites because it's an awesome way to get started now. So that was my video for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure that you smash the like button, comment down below, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll have another couple of videos that are gonna pop up here of awesome ways that you can make money online, so make sure you check out those. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Sabrina from USA Videos, and I'll see you until tomorrow. So till then, you take care. Goodbye.